What up peeps, it's Game, and today I'm coming with a hair review. I was sent some clip-ins from HerGivenHair and I couldn't decide between which texture was going to match my hair the most, so I decided to try two. I went with the Coily clip-ins and the Kinky clip-ins. So I wanted to try them both out and see which one would blend the best with my hair. So the first thing I did when I got them was condition them. I did that, I let the hair air dry for weeks because I was traveling and everything. So when I finally got back to the hair, I went ahead and braided my hair back except for like just a horseshoe amount of hair in the front, and then I placed the clip-ins and I was just winging it. Like, I've never really worn clip-ins before, so I didn't have any type of a strategy. I was just kind of placing them where I saw fit, and then I would go through section by section, spritz down the hair because it had been air dry, so it was completely dry at that point. I spritzed it down and added some butter to it and twisted it up. So I wore the twist for a day. Like, I did it at night, let it air dry. The next day I wore the twist all day. And then the day after that, so I'd say 2 days later, I twisted it out. And here is the twist out of the Coily clip-ins. And I'm not sure that I'm a big fan. And it's probably the placement on my end because it's too full at the bottom and not full enough on the top to me. Like, I like height with my twist outs, so this is a little weird feeling to me. I keep looking at it, like, I keep trying to push it up, but because they're clip-ins, it's only so much body I can get up top. Maybe I just need to place more up top, but I'm like, there's really not a place where I can add more, so I don't know. I'm gonna shake it and just kind of see, maybe fluff it up a bit and see if that helps. Did that help? No. Not at all. But as you can see, my hair, it doesn't look that bad actually. Like, I think it's blending nicely. It's not as shiny as the Coily clip-ins. Like, you can see the difference between my hair and the clip-ins if you look close enough. See? my hair is not as shiny as the clip-ins, but it doesn't look bad. The twist out results are pretty good. Honestly, coily is just not really my hair texture, but it doesn't look bad. Like, I don't think that it looks bad. It's just different. So I don't know, I'm gonna try out the Kinky clip-ins and see if I like those better. Maybe they'll have more volume to it. And this isn't bad. Like, this isn't like a complete fail. I think I just need to shape it up, basically. Let me turn it around and show you the back. Okay, so I decided to pin this side back, and I think I really like this look. I have kind of like a U shape of my hair out, so I kind of place the clips in a U-part motion. So you can kind of see the difference between the clips and my hair if you stare hard enough. But honestly, it's not that bad. I really thought that with this being a more fine texture that it wouldn't look good with my hair, but it's not bad at all, honestly. I would say that the hair is nice and soft. I'm gonna see how it performs today as I wear this twist out style, but so far so good. I'm a fan. It works. I think it needs to be shaped up a little bit, but I can't find my shears right now, so I'll have to do that a little later. So this is my Coily clip-ins twist out, and I will be back with my Kinky clip-in twist out. Okay, so I don't know about this. I will say that the definition is good, very, very good. And it does remind me of my hair, but it's not cooperating like I want it to. It's really frizzy. First of all, I'm in a rush because I'm on my way to church, so that's probably my first mistake. But I feel like the twists were like coiling on top of each other at the end. So when I tried to separate it, it was like all this intertwined hair, making it frizzier than what I would want it to be. But I don't know. It's very full. I do like that. It does give me a little bit more height of hair. Not a whole lot though, but I think I'm figuring out that that has a lot to do with the placement of my clips. I need to play around with it more to figure out exactly how to place them. Excuse my voice, you guys. So yeah, these are the Kinky. I took out 2 tracks because it was too long, but I feel like now I'm naked in the back, so I think I'm gonna put one of these back. I'm about to trim this one, I think, and put it back. Okay, so that gave me a little bit more fullness in the back. I think I fixed it, and now I'm a fan. Like, I really like this texture because it is most like my own, y'all. Oh, I need my hair to be this full again. I love it. I'm a big fan now. Still have some shaping to do, but this is just give you an idea of what it looks like. And I haven't even looked at the back of the mirror, so hopefully no tracks are showing, because that's gonna be cute. Yep, I can get with this life. So I would say if you have hair texture that looks like mine, which is closer to the 4C range, or if you feel like you don't have a curl pattern at all, because that's kind of how I feel about my hair. Like, my hair doesn't curl up as much as this does when you put water in it or whatever. So I would highly recommend the Kinky texture of hair because it's going to match your hair the most. Now the coily you can still get away with, because the older that twist out got, the more it looked like, oh, that's kind of cute, because it got more frizz to it and it got fuller. But just off the top, this one definitely looks more like my hair. So I am a fan of both sets of clip-ins. If you guys are interested in trying them out, I'll put some links in the description box so you can check out HerGivenHair. And even if you're not sure what style or what texture is going to work the best for you, they do give out samples, and I think I forgot to say that, but they will send you samples so you can kind of test it out and see what's going to be the best texture to match your own hair. So yeah guys, I'm a fan. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you know what to do. Leave them down below. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.